Alright, so, like, when was this? Saturday? Was that the day you were there? Alright, so I was, like, doing all these intense readings, and, like, something really weird happened. Like, it was just really bizarre, and just, like, I don't know why I thought of this, and this stuff happened. I mean, it just came naturally, okay? So, like, I don't even know what I'm saying in the reading, okay? Like, when I channel and I do my readings, look at the freaking rooster. I should get one of those for Irma. Wow, it was cool to see the difference or whatever, like the specimen. Yeah. After getting so familiar with Irma. Like I said, when I'm channeling, I have no clue what I was saying to this person is what I'm getting at. Like, I have no idea, like, I was channeling or whatever. What I do remember is that, like, something was going on with my eye. Like, I feel like I was itching it or something. Like, something was up. Like, I was like this. And, like, some random drunk lady or something like that, she just, like, she's on the street, I'm in the booth, you know, doing my thing, and she's, like, she hollers up at us. And she's like, "What's going on with your eye? That's really weird." I was like, I feel like she could see or whatever. It's just like maybe she couldn't explain it. Like, that's what I was feeling or something. And then, like, for some reason, I instantly thought of Odin. I'm pretty sure you were there on the property at the time.
Yeah, I was right in the back.
Like, it was crazy. Yeah, it was pretty intense. Maybe. So I was just confused, like, what was going on. But yeah, there's, like, it was bizarre. And it's like, I wasn't drinking like everyone else, you know, having the free beer or whatever. I didn't eat a hot dog, I didn't do anything. I just did readings all night.
Was it at the time when you made me the DJ?
It was definitely after that period. I can show you I don't want to like I'm not sure if that sushi place is better than the other place we went. I don't know what you're in the mood for, what you want to do.
It doesn't matter, I told you, I don't care. Like, I just don't give a shit. I go, like, on a whim with things. Like,
on a whim. 6 o'clock in St. Augustine. 6:33.
But anyways, was it at the time where I had the DJ?
Like, don't say that. That would really creep me out. Like, I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea what's going on in the back. That would be even worse. Or, like, more intense. Yeah, I know. Like, now I think about that. Or, like, maybe he floated to the front. Or, like, I don't understand. Like, I was just trying to figure that out, what happened. I was just trying to let you know, like, that had come to mind. And, yeah, I was, like, 90% sure you were still there, like, inside. Yeah. That was a wild night. There's a lot of truth to that.
I mean,
Stop it.
I mean, it
know.
is what it is. So, I mean, if he's calling for you, go and seek whatever information he gets for you.
So it is.
What's gonna hurt? I mean, he is all wise. I mean, he's all father.
Hey, another conversation I wanted to have with you. Oh my God, like, you might have to speak a little high or something, like, or just like, please guide me. You told me about the story of Pisces, about how, like, I give birth to, I give the sun and the moon, or
you're actually okay. You're the Empress. So
I want you to go through all of them, bro. Please.
All right. So it goes from Sagittarius.
Yeah, that's my moon.
Huh?
That's my moon.
That's your moon?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, Sagittarius is like, I guess if you take the cards, the tarot cards.
Yeah.
And you take them, and you put them out, like, actually, I can't even fucking say it. Anyways. So you take them, you have, Sagittarius has the Temperance card, which is, I don't know, if you don't have your cards. You have your cards?
I don't have them with me right now, no.
Well, you know how, like, you have the guy or the person standing there that's 1 foot in the water and has the cup and it's pouring back the cup and the sun rises in the west. You know what I'm talking about?
Okay, sun rises in the west. What?
Well, if you had the card.
I love the rises in the east and sets in the west.
I mean, it might have been set in the west, which means somebody's like, you know, passing into the next spiritual realm.
Ah.
So since the Sagittarius is the 9th planet, which is 9 is like one of the Kundalini numbers. So,
Oh, tell me more about Kundalini, or tell me more about 9, like, or your understanding of 9.
I mean, well, it's 3, 6, and 9. So those are
9
like,
prime.
like I'm still kind of learning about this. So
Same. I know that Nikola Tesla was huge on 369 or.
Yeah, because those are like the most powerful numbers. Like you have all the other numbers, but those are the ones like it brings something I can't really remember, but it's like it's part of like the tree of life and the like the jewels, the essence of our body, like you know spit, urine, and all that kind of stuff.
What do you call it? The jewels?
Yeah, like of your body, like how it's all made up and everything. But anyways, from Sagittarius.
Something says go left, bro.
Alright,
Maybe
It's
towards
like
the
right
water
there.
or something. I don't know.
like all the way.
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
That's cute.
What's strong? Well, there is cool stuff up there. Like I know for a fact if it was open, I would love to take you to this herbal shop that's up there. You would just go. You'd be in love with all the divine like plants and herbs and like. I don't know if you've been there.
No.
Oh man, it's a really
I
neat
don't
place.
think I've like traveled this far.
Really?
I don't think so. I might have, but just don't remember.
Hmm.
Yeah.
There's this place called the Present Moment Cafe or whatever. It's like an all like vegan, organic place up there.
Neat.
Yeah.
But anyways, back to
Okay.
my fucking story.
Squirrel. Yeah.
Alright,
Sorry. Yeah. Dude, that story is just. So why does it start at Sagittarius though? Why does it
Well, it
start at
doesn't,
9? It goes
like-
backwards or something. And like I want to know this tarot thing you're talking about. Like I need to see like I need a visual context. Like I know exactly what you're talking about. Like I know how I know that like I'm like kind of intuitive and I know it goes a certain way because of the storyline and I can see the astrology and I know it and I recognize it and like I have this deck in my car. I would love to show it to you. Like it has all this. It has the it has the tree of life. It has all of that in it. It's I think it's called the Hermits or the
Well, see, no, it starts off
some
with
kind of
it.
deck.
Let me. Okay, if you
Hectic
like,
deck. No, something. I don't know.
if you picture like the if you like picture like you know how the circle of all the zodiacs.
Mhm.
All right, the middle point is the Fool in the tarot decks.
Yeah.
So from there, you start off because you start off with Capricorn, which is the High Priestess, which is like from the what is it? The like the winter solstice through the before the what is it? The spring solstice. That's like the womb of when this emperor is going to be born. So from his whole little lifespan at Sagittarius is like when he's finally like passed away and he's going to the abyss, and then it restarts over again. Because I think
Which card was that?
what
The where he gives birth or comes back again or.
he gives birth in actually Aries, but like it's like in Pisces it's like kind of like his mother in a way. Like like the devil pregnates the High Priestess, which is you have the High Priestess is the first card, which is I think 1, and then on
High
the,
Priestess is 2.
Yeah, but if you look at it like actually the older way, because back in the day they would put the magician first because of the female dominance.
So magician would be 2.
Yeah, because that's in Aquarius. If you like do it all, like, the
Yeah,
number
yeah.
right. But anyways, so from the bottom out layer of the cards will be
Ah.
the tower and the star, which is the devil and ejaculates in the fucking High Priestess, which forms the emperor, which in Aquarius it will go into
Aries.
no, like in Aquarius, where Aquarius gives the soul kind of.
Well, Emperor I thought was Aries.
Yeah, that's when he's born. But he's still like a baby at the time. And then he travels throughout the zodiacs, and then he will die again, and then just recycles.
Pisces gives birth, the moon and the
like
stars.
she's carrying it until you go into the to like the spring solstice kind of thing, like the equinox or whatever it's called.
So she creates that,
Yeah,
like time.
sort of. Yeah, until it goes into Aries.
Pisces creates time, gives birth to time.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Like
Something like that.
Yeah, I'm still learning this shit. So
What is this called? How do you backtrace this information? Or
you
whatever?
just like do
What's
like
it called?
I don't know, like the Turtle spreads, I guess, of zodiacs. If you do the number right, like if you put it in a cube,
Yeah.
like if you put all the cards in the cube, the outlayers are like what's under the Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces.
I would love for you to
And-
send me some stuff.
I'll send you
So much. Like I will post it and share it with everybody. Like, oh my god. Like that is so intense.
And then it's just like the tree of life. Like everybody thinks like the outer branches are like, I guess, essential, but it's actually the roots at the bottom because they all flip their numbers too if you do it right. Yeah, I've been over here.
So you're trying to go somewhere new?
Sure.
Is that what you're trying to do? You looking for somewhere new? Somewhere new. Have you been by the steps by the fort? Like when the tide's low or whatever and it shows
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, look, my little sea turtle's over there. He comes out every time I go over there.
There?
Yeah.
There's sea turtles here. That's the only time I've ever seen turtles here.
Well, this one I saw him when he was like a baby, and then now he's a
Ah, stop it.
Yeah. But it's like
There's
at
like
the-
some kind of Masonic thing back here.
Oh, really?
What?
Have you ever been to a Masonic lodge?
No.
Oh, I have. I had to take some clients to a meeting there. It was fucking awkward as shit.
Well, I'm pretty sure I remember seeing something like that over here, or like Freemason or something like that.
Yeah, I went to one. There's one in, what is it, Neptune Beach.
What is that old rustic place?
What?
The old rustic place. Oh man, it's kind of cool. It's all like beat down. The bridge is closed.
But yeah. I mean, everything kind of like connects together if you look at it.
Yeah,
It's just like the Abraham, or the Abraham, is that what it's called? Like religion, like, what is it? Islam is fire, Christianity is water, and I think Buddhism
air.
is air, and then, or it could be earth, one of the two. And then, Hinduism is either earth or air.
I wonder.
Which way?
Left. I would love to find those out. Is it Hindu that's all about pranayama? Do you know about that? The breath?
Yeah, well, that's nice.
This is like a cool spot.
And then with the zodiacs too, if you line the planets actually right, all the other zodiac is about.
Oh, dude, I forgot about the cemetery that's over here. I forgot. Where are we at? Let me think about this. What does that say?
Over here.
Like, I've only been here once. That says San Salvador and Marine. Okay. Dude, I want to live there.
Yeah, that's so fucking nice.
Dang. See?
Have you ever seen
I just
the
found where I wanna
castle,
live.
on A1A?
Huh?
Castle House.
Castle house?
Yeah. Have you ever seen
Like
it
with
on-
the door? The wooden
No,
door?
it's
That
like
one
a
with the heart?
castle.
I don't think so.
A1A? You ever travel A1A?
Ah, like all the way down towards Jack's or whatever?
Sort of,
Like
yeah.
you ride that all the way up? Yeah.